I got to spend some time this morning at one of our local elementary schools. It's the day before winter break. It was 2 hours before school would dismiss. I was asked to come by a teacher to see the project their kids have been working on in their Fab Lab. Check this out.
For our EL module, we have a end of unit performance task where they get to create a trading card all about a frog and a book all about a frog where they research the one particular frog for several weeks. I mean, it's a whole quarter's worth of work where we talk about frogs. So what we chose to do was for them to they got to 3D print their frogs with our eLab and they got to color them, and then we made it more, we took the game, modified it a little bit, make it more like Pokemon style, for them to be able to actually play and see which frog won. They got to 3D print their own dice, and then they still got to create a book writing a paragraph about their information that they researched on their frogs. We did it last year without the eLab, and the kids this year have been so excited just for the fact that they get to take home a little critter. They get to take them home and they get to be like, oh, look what I made. And, it was a really big thing. And then Miss Minor, for the technology aspect, added our makey-makeys where they actually get to hear the frog sounds. So that's been awesome too. Giving them this outlet where they can feel that success. They can tell you everything that you want to know about their frog because they've truly spent the time to research, and it's not been that I have given it. It's not been information that I've told them. We talked about one frog. It was a poison dart frog. That was our example. They know everything about the rest of them, and I had kids saying, well, what about this, or what about this about my frog? And when I said, I don't know, they would go find it, and they would go look through books and find the answer, and they were so excited. And I think the integration of eLab just gives them the ability to see a product that's not always pencil paper, writing an essay, because we do a lot of, okay, here's numbers, add and subtract, multiply and divide, and we do a lot of, here's a piece of paper, write down, and they don't always get this opportunity. And so the fact that we have this beautiful place is truly something that I think that they need to utilize it to learn those things.